Bullish ARK cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.60 and $3.02 by 2030. Market investigators accept ARK could reach $1.24 by 2025. Bearish ARK market cost expectation for 2023 is 28 cents. ARK presentation. ARK expects to make the most common way of making a blockchain simpler for people who believe should do as such with the assistance of its environment. Clients can tweak different components, including charges, cash, and modules, in a way like that of a web designer. The essential money interfacing this large number of created networks together is called ARK. The ARK cost is down 17.44% as of late, notwithstanding having an overflow of use cases. We should study ARK's set of experiences first, and afterward hop into its cost expectation. What is ARK? Engineers can assemble their own blockchain utilizing the ARK biological system. Interoperability, formats, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own undertaking on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while seeking after a blockchain task might seem troublesome, ARK has made it as basic as could be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the biological system's essential programming dialect. The ARK deployer instrument is utilized to begin an engineer's blockchain. Information handles that can be altered incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Designers can put together their groups utilizing the instrument's administration framework. The ARK Programming Improvement Pack, which gives additional customization choices including money determination, is one of the designer apparatuses accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. ARK Basic Investigation. The ARK organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then. Notwithstanding the underlying absence of action, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest forward leap. Starting in December, the second emphasis of ARK was delivered, and accordingly, its base cost esteem soar. That very day, its wallet was additionally refreshed, improving the agent casting a ballot UI. ARK took off to a most extreme worth of $10.91. It couldn't keep up with this most extreme cost level, however, and during the next months it fell abruptly. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had fundamentally declined from $1 shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its ensuing bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged underneath past normal cost. Jerk's coordination of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it workable for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them ARK. The biological system likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its most exorbitant cost ascend to $3.98. ARK Specialized Examination. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for ARK. As per Wallet Investors' value projection of the ARK coin, it is an astonishing venture that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of ARK digital money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years, the ARK cost figure is at a most extreme cost worth of $21. Price Prediction made a comparative estimate, foreseeing that the ARK coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the most extreme cost of ARK Cash will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK Current Cost. ARK is right now worth 35 cents USD. ARK has moved 3.38% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,053,708. ARK is right now positioned 1758 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $61,248,250 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for ARK to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant ARK market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. ARK Value Forecast 2023 ARK, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ARK cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 53 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 50 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ARK is supposed to have a base worth of 42 cents. ARK Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. ARK cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform 89 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ARK's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 71 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 78 cents. ARK value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.25 and ARK might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ARK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.14 and a low of $1.07 in 2025. ARK value expectation 2026. In the event that ARK effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the ARK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARK will be green in 2026. The ARK is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.61, with a base cost of $1.43 and a typical cost of $1.50. ARK value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ARK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.86 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.79 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ARK has a most extreme value worth of $1.97. ARK value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.22. In the event that ARK figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.32. Neglecting to accumulate the help ARK needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.14. ARK value expectation 2029. While ARK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $2.50 and a yearly cost close above $2.68 in 2029. ARK value forecast 2030. By 2030, ARK will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.86 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.04, averaging out at $2.93. ARK value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ARK cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.50 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.36. And it is obvious from the review illustrated over that the assessments for ARK are somewhat problematic. There is no far-reaching settlement on potential